Hello everybody and welcome to 3D survey tutorials. In this video I will show you how to use the snapper settings used in CAD. Snapper settings control where points, endpoints and center points will be snapped on when drawing a line, point or a circle. First of all, when looking at snapper settings you will see two large buttons. The first one says Point Snapper and the second one says Interpolate Points. For now, let's leave the second and focus on the regular point snapper. Under the button you will see 6 other buttons which determine where our point will be snapped on. The first one is Point. To use it, we must have our point cloud activated in the back so we can snap the point to any point in the point cloud. The second option is Endpoint, where our point will snap on any endpoint of an already existing line. The third option is Midpoint, where our point will snap on any midpoint of an already existing line. The fourth option is called Nearest, where our point will snap on any point on the already existing line. The fifth option is called Center, where our point will snap onto any center of an already existing circle. The last option is called Triangle, where our point will snap onto any point on the surface of our 3D mesh. But we must first make sure to have our 3D mesh activated in the back or the function won't work. We can have more than one of these options turned on, but if we know exactly where we want our point to be, it might be easier to only choose the one we need. For example, when drawing a regular line, I would only have point and triangle options activated, and maybe also the endpoint option in case I was making a closed line. Now let's return to the second button named Interpolate Points. We use it to surpass the problems caused by the large noise of the point cloud. When clicking on the button, you will see a blue circle appear, which can be made larger or smaller by using the slider below the Interpolate Points button. This feature will take all the points contained in that circle, calculate their average height and place it at the intersection of the cross. It is very useful when, for example, we are marking macadam roads. When using the Interpolate feature, all the other snapping options work the same as before. That is all for this tutorial. Thank you and see you next time.